Today we're going to show you how to change a control board on your stove. We want to start by making sure it's unplugged and making sure the unit is cooled down. You're going to need a 3/8 driver tool to loosen the 3 bolts in the back. We're removing this side panel. Give yourself some room to work there. Remove the side panel. Control board is going to be located in the lower right hand corner. There are standoffs holding it to the stove body. You're going to want to probably just nip them off with a pair of side cutters. That'll make it a lot easier. Pull the board down. Remove all the connectors. The new board has new standoffs on it, so replace the connectors. Make sure they snap into place. The standoffs will go on the stove body like that. There's 4 holes in the stove body. Make sure you don't pinch any of the wires. Make sure that snaps in. You're now ready to replace the side panel. There's tabs in the front where that fits into the stove body. Make sure you're on the mounting screws. Do not over tighten these bolts. From here, you can follow your startup procedure for your stove. Thank you.